off limits!
I'm gonna open this up. Big green slime.
Your lollipop fell. It's sinking deep in the toilet.
Oh, wow. That's what hands are for, right? I just have to dig in the slime. Oh, what weird things do we have here?
That's it. How disgusting! Hurry, Dad! Stop her!
Stop that!
Oh, so yucky!
Aw, that could have been tasty.
Tasty, you say? I have the perfect recipe. All we're gonna do is get some cubes of Jell-O. Choose the green ones. And now for the taste test. What's next? Dip your lollipop right here.
Here it goes.
Melted green Jell-O.
How is it?
Do you like it? Told you so. Why do most moms these days put candies in syringes? Well, that's an ongoing mystery.
Whatever. Look at my scissors. I'm gonna use them to give my mom a makeover.
Oh no! Her blocks of hair fell off. What did you say? My hair?
Oh, it's okay, Mom. I got it.
You!
What do you think you're doing? I need my hair back. What is this?
That doesn't look good. Your kid sure does love hairstyling, though.
Here's a woolly sheep, all yours for you to groom and keep. You'll be the most fashionable sheep ever.
Bye, sheep. See you soon. Minecraft toys.
But they're so high up the shelf. Well then, I'm just gonna have to climb up.
Oh no! The shelf is falling! We need a superhero!
Fist bomb! I finally got them. Gotta go play.
As long as she's happy. Oh, wait! Uh-oh! She's gonna poke the outlet! Oh no! I gotta stop that! Let's keep her safe using this green block! She can't poke the outlet anymore!
Oh, then I'm just gonna walk away.
Huh? Not another danger! Crafting door stopper now! Here it comes! So many things you can craft using Minecraft blocks, aren't there? Any other ideas? There you have it! The safest way to play! Why is she inside? It's for you to find out! See ya! Oh well!
A lot of things to craft here. Let's start with my poop blocks.
Rare Minecraft blocks. It stinks. Oh.
Where's the toilet paper? This just needs a little crafting. How about crafting my own toilet paper blocks?
Wow, smaller blocks.
This will take care of my business.
The block wiped it off.
Let's flush it down.
The toilet!
Oh, what have I done?
It's alive!
Mommy! The toilet's overflowing! It's all over the floor now!
What a disaster!
Oh, I have a hack. This cling wrap right here will take care of it. Cover the bowl entirely. And now, let's flush it.
Not again!
Oh, I got this. Let me press on this firmly and try flushing it again.
Did it work?
Well, see for yourself.
Sparkly and clean. It's as good as new. But what are we gonna do about the poopy floor?
Oh, see this green bucket? Ta-da! Stinky problem solved.
Perfect.
Night mode activated. What's in the closet? What could it be? Maybe he just wants to play with you.
Give me blankie.
Go away! Oh, what can I help you with? Dark monster over there.
Oh, I know what to do.
Fuse these blocks together and craft a sword for you. It glows. Now here, take this and go to sleep now, okay? He fell asleep in no time. Good night, folks. Meanwhile, someone's grabbing the blanket. Wake up!
Huh? Gimme. Nah, go away. See? Easy. I'm going back to sleep now.
A perfect spot to plant some flowers.
Wow, pretty!
All in a day's work.
Will your flowers be safe?
What now?
Oh, look! She's having fun! But she's ruining the garden!
Yippee!
I can't believe this!
Muddy footprints on the mat, too!
I know what to do. It's easy. I just have to craft something out of these.
Blue boots!
I'm gonna need a lot of foaming soap to fill these up. Foot wash ready! Come here and let's clean your dirty feet. Now hop in there and rinse those dirty feet. And to make sure your feet are always clean, wear these Crocs.
Okay, Mom.
And where is she going? What is she gonna do now?
I'm gonna shower them with love.
Oh!
I'm digging a grave for the skellies. Wanna come and join me?
A creeper behind you! Aren't you scared or anything?
Me scared? Nah. Take this!
Dinner is served! Dig in!
Hot and spicy.
How is it?
I feel weak.
Oh no! What did you eat?
Creeper barbecue.
Just one shot of this potent elixir, and you'll feel better in no time.
Any cool tips?
But of course, craft a little sword.
It hides the scary injection.
Now let's do it. Wanna have a sword fight? Take this.
His health is getting restored. Mom's trick definitely saved the day. Having a hard time?
Yeah, this is hard.
Oh, whoa! Blocks of poop.
Disgusting! Time to flush. Uh-oh, something's not right.
What's wrong? What a beautiful sight.
No! It's gonna overflow!
What is that noise? Look at those colors. Looks like you've got some fixing to do here.
Let me try to do something to fix this.
What is that?
There's something wrong here. The toilet tank is pregnant. It gave birth to these dolls.
Any plans?
Oh, look at those skins. Let's take a closer look.
Whoa, magical! Let's all say hi and join the whole family for Minecraft parenting hacks.
I'm stuck in the toilet and can't get up.
Oh, finally! Dad is here to the rescue! Any ideas?
I have a lot, of course. But this time, I'm gonna use a fishing rod to help him out. Just hold on. Help is coming.
You can do it, Dad! You got him! The rod broke!
Dad!
This time, I'm gonna use my mighty fist. Toilet Mega Punch!
The toilet turned into blocks, but the yucky stuff didn't?
Nobody wants that!
Anyway, let's start crafting a new toilet using these blocks.
Wow, he did it!
A brand new Minecraft toilet package, complete with toilet seat.
Yeah, I can take it from here, Dad. See ya!
The Minecraft toilet is a hit!